I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you.
After a grueling sponsored walk from Ayton to Wigan, we thought we'd take it easy with a nice relaxing walk in the Yorkshire Dales. Joe prepares himself for the 4-mile walk. Off we go on our relaxing trek.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Ingleton Waterfalls. I'm accompanied by cameraman Paul Woods and the fisherman Joseph Murphy. As you can see, he's looking for trout at the moment in the rocks. Up there is a cave, and the legend has it, if you sleep in there for those 24 hours, you become a bodybuilder overnight.
Wow.
Fucking superb, isn't it?
That's sometimes there, times a bit
Fantastic,
faster.
yeah. In a box.
Oh dear. I love that. How long it is? Wow.
It's good.
Killed the tree. Yeah, well. Hope you're not robbing that money there.
The quality's in our back garden. The same things we have anyway. Fucking money tree.
Mad that.
It's 50p. I swear. It's a 50 pence. I told you they'd kill it. Knew it.
Yeah, brilliantly you've been framed if you an egg and would. How come you step right like that?
This is Joseph Murphy, fishing for trout. Waiting for ones to jump out of the water.
So we can catch it like a bear.
Here he goes. He's spotted one. We start back that way as we come in.
What?
As we come in, it is.
Right funny this.
Caught any trout?
Did you catch any trout, Joe?
Let's have a couple of the socks.
Shay, what's that there?
I think it's a species of wild garlic.
Never.
It is.
Going wild.
Watch yeah, 'cause if you do this. Smell it.
Smelly vision.
Young man.
Wow.
That's Thornton, that one, isn't it?
Thornton Glen.
Thornton Glen, this is, yeah.
You'll have to keep on trying because rubbish reception up here. That's a boss shot, lads.
This is our spec, we were there first.
We had a fantastic day's walking. Unfortunately though, we can't show you because this happened. We ended the walk by having some tasty food cooked on our brilliant barbecue. So until next time, TTFN, bye.